At Bona, we believe in protecting what's already built. By extending the life of floors through renovation, we create lasting value. Floor renovation is at the heart of our business model. Instead of replacing floors, we help restore them, saving up to 90% in CO2 emissions and up to 95% in energy use. Our sustainability work is shaped by 3 pillars: respect our planet, care for people, and trusted business. Together, they guide how we act, innovate, and grow responsibly. In 2024, we reduced our greenhouse gases by 41% and increased the use of renewable energy and recycled plastics. We also continue to phase out harmful chemicals and publish third-party verified environmental product declarations for greater transparency. In Austria, we earned the Seal of Excellence for Workplace Health Promotion, thanks to employee support initiatives like health programs, flexible work and stress management training, while further strengthening our safety culture by implementing ISO 45001 standards in Germany. We also developed a new global supplier evaluation process to ensure alignment with Bona's Code of Conduct. As a trusted business, we lead through partnerships, education and transparency, working closely with industry, contractors and stakeholders to promote sustainable practices for long-term success. While we still have work to do, in 2024, we took meaningful steps to reduce our impact, strengthen our culture and lead with purpose, laying the groundwork for long-term change. And together, through respect, care and trust, we're making every step count.